Oh, uh, MECFS is often invisible to the naked eye. A person with MECFS may look perfectly healthy on the outside. This can lead to misunderstandings and misconceptions from others who may not fully grasp the impact of the condition. It's not uncommon for people with MECFS to be dismissed, doubted, or invalidated because their illness is not immediately apparent, which can be isolating and frustrating. If you can relate to this post, please leave a comment below and I will do my best to respond. Thank you so much.